Hi luminaries, in this video I'm going to show you how to make these Pom Pom and Tassel paper flower. They're so easy to make and they're great. I love combining texture of yarn and fiber along with paper. Okay, so what you'll need are stem wire or a twig from outside, crepe paper cut into petal like shapes. If you don't have crepe paper, tissue paper is fine. Pom Pom or tassel made with the Loome tool. Glue, you could use a glue gun or whatever glue you have around, and it's always handy to have a needle. Okay, so let's move some things out of the way. Okay, so why don't we make the tassel one first? This will actually be really easy, and the same concept will apply for the Pom Pom one as well. Okay, so take your glue. Okay, set that. And then why don't I use let's do the white one. Okay, so you're just gonna layer. I always have 2 layers. I think it's really nice and it gives it some depth. And all you have to do is turn this around, take your stem wire and poke this out, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze out your glue, or actually use your glue gun. The glue gun would be much faster, of course, but it will also be hot. So just make sure you're careful with that. And you're just gonna apply it. I would do it pretty liberally, so that means a lot. Okay, just about 1/4 of an inch down. And then what I'm gonna do is I like to just fold this up like this. Okay. Oops. You're basically gonna fold it and pinch like this. See how that's pinched? Okay, let me show you on this one. See how that just pinched, pretty simple like that. And with the glue, it'll just hold it so that it's in place a little bit. Won't take long. Leave that piece exposed because we're actually gonna glue the tassel or a pom pom in. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this part, but you're probably gonna hold it for about 45 seconds. Okay, so I think this glue is dry enough. You just wanna have it in place. You can actually also later on, once we put on the pom pom and the tassel, leave it so that it dries a little bit more and sets really well. So if you're gonna put a pom pom on, just glue it and put it on top. I'm gonna do a tassel because I think this color would look really good together. So here I'm just again gonna apply the glue very liberally. And then see the top of the tassel? You could actually just stick that in there like that. Okay. I'm gonna cut the tassel later because sometimes it depends the look that I'm going for. This one, see how it's really long? And I really like that. I'm gonna try first to see what it looks like long, and then I'm gonna trim it down a little bit to see what it looks like short. Okay, let me set the glue aside, close that so it doesn't dry. Take in your scissors, and you're just gonna cut your tassel. Oh, this is actually pretty. And if you don't like this, and if it's too long for you, just take your needle and just move it. And then you could just start trimming. And you could test and see what length you like. You could also mix up the color of your tassels too before you put this on. Experiment, and I think the more you experiment, the more variation you'll get. That could be really, really pretty, and it's just super fun. You could actually also turn this into a brooch, or you could put this onto, a hat or anything like that. So easy. Here we go. I love this. I'm not going to be able to stop making them. Okay, everyone, enjoy your tassel and pom pom paper flower project.